All right, here we are in Adobe Illustrator. I'm going to show you how to make things actual size. So, first off, we're going to grab our transform palette. This is a life changer if you're not familiar with this one. So we have our transform palette, and next, quickly view and just show our rulers. And if you need units to be changed, you can right-click on the ruler right here, pixels. Now watch this, boom, pixels, so on and so forth, inches. And if you need to do that permanently or for all your new documents going forward, do that in settings, and you can change, go to settings, units, and pixels. So we got that dialed. Now, let's grab this, and let's say I want to make this thing 3 inches wide. Boom. See that? And it did it proportionally. If I didn't have this linked, and I did that, I'm going to make it 4 inches wide. It's just going to go width. See that? I didn't want that. That ruined it, or it did it non-proportionally. So you link this, then you're going to go proportional. And let's say I want to make this guy, okay, well, I'm in inches, so I'm going to make it 10. I do have it linked, so there we go. And then for sake of this, I'm going to put that there. I'm going to make it white. And then let's go make this guy make it a little smaller. I want to go 2 inches wide. And now I have my logo is 2 inches wide. My image that I'm putting it on is 10 inches wide. So if that's what you're going for, boom, there you have it. So that's how you do actual size artwork. I mean, this is all ready to go. It's exactly 10 inches, like I said, 2 inches on the logo. So you can do that however you need. Quickly change units for this document right there with right clicking on the rulers. So hopefully that helped. If it did, hit like, leave me a comment. Thanks.